All right, so as most of you know, I've been buying a lot of these vintage Kodak cartridge folding Hawkeye cameras. I got another one. This one's green. I bought it on eBay. I'm always a little hesitant to buy from people I don't know, especially when there's no return allowed, but it was green and I really wanted it. So let's see how it turns out. Break out the knife. And let's see, let's try not to chop my arms off. Dun, dun, dun. That's a big knife. It's a little too big a knife. Seems to be in pretty good shape. Yeah, outside of the camera is in really good shape. I don't see any real problems. It does have a roll of film still in it, so we're gonna have to wind that off so I can process it. Let's open this up. Let's take a look. Hey, the rollers are actually in really good shape. There's no surface rust that I can see. The paper here on the inside, this is old. Once again, we've got another 1/16 roll that I now have to process. It's Kodak Chrome film. It's quite old, but I'll give this a process next week. And I've got now an extra take-up spool, which is nice. The inside's in good shape. The springs are in good shape. Window's in good shape. Let's take a look at the bellows. This is always my biggest concern. Pulls out nice. I like to lock it. That's just dust on the inside. And these bellows are in good shape. I don't see any holes in the bellows. Shutter's nice. This is a good camera. I paid a little bit more money for it because it's green and I'm a sucker for a green camera. Also interesting about this one is that it's the green camera, but it has the more sophisticated shutter. It doesn't just have two shutter speeds, T and a 50th. This has TB, a 25th, and a 50th. Let's see if the f-stops work. Let's put it on T, and we can see how clean the iris is. Yeah, iris is nice and clean. There's no real fogging on the glass that I can see. Yeah, so I can't wait to take this camera, put it all together here over the next couple, even the light trap's nice. Put this together over the next couple of days, put a new handle on the top, and this will be a real perfect shooting camera. And once again, it's green. What's not to like about that?